Hey George, I've been hearing a lot about Whop.com lately. Do you know what it is?
Absolutely, Aria. Whop.com is an online marketplace designed specifically for memberships and digital goods. It's a platform where creators can sell subscriptions and access to digital content efficiently.
That sounds interesting. So, is it mainly for content creators?
Yes, it's aimed at content creators, influencers, and anyone offering digital products or services. One of Whop.com's strengths is its simplicity for setting up a storefront and managing memberships.
How does it compare to other platforms?
Great question. Unlike some traditional marketplaces, Whop.com provides tools specifically for subscription management, making it easier for sellers to offer recurring access and benefits to their audience.
That's useful. Is there an interesting fact about it?
Definitely. An interesting fact about Whop.com is that it has a feature called the Whop Storefront, which hosts all the creators' offerings in one place. This helps enhance user experience by providing easy access to the creator's entire digital ecosystem.
That sounds like a practical solution for creators. How do they ensure security on the platform?
Whop.com prioritizes security by implementing robust encryption and secure payment options to protect both creators and buyers. This ensures a trustworthy environment for transactions.
That's reassuring. Thanks for explaining, George. Whop.com sounds like a powerful tool for digital commerce.
You're welcome, Aria. I'm glad you found it interesting. If you have more questions about online platforms, feel free to ask.